Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create a restore point on Windows 10 and restore your computer back to that point if something goes wrong. This is a useful feature that allows you to revert your computer back to a previous state. Let's get started. To create a restore point, type "create a restore point" into the search box. Now click to open it. Or you can create a restore point by going to Start menu and click on Settings. On the Setting window, click on System. Now scroll down and you will see the About option. Click on it. And now on the right-hand side, click on System Protection. A new small window will appear. Click on Create option. Here you can enter any name for your restore point. I am entering the date as a name of my restore point. Click on the Create button to create the restore point. Your restore point has been created. Now, if something goes wrong with your computer, you can easily revert back to this point. Remember to create restore points regularly, especially before making any major changes to your system. To restore your computer to a previous state, type "create a restore point" into the search box. Now click to open it. Click on System Restore and maybe Windows ask to restore the system from a recommended point. But you can make your own choice here. And if you want to restore the system from your created restore points, click on Choose a different restore point and click Next. Now on this window, you can see all the previously created restore points. Select the restore point you want to use and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restore process. And that's it. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in when the restore point was created. Keep in mind that restoring your computer will delete any changes made after the restore point was created, so make sure to save any important files before proceeding. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.